What's up, all you out there in YouTube space? Welcome back. Yeah, it's been a minute. I know I haven't really posted in probably a week by the time this comes out, or did a unboxing or opening. But today we got something pretty good. I bought a display of Magnificent Mavens, and we're gonna open it up. Usually I get them out of the box first, but I know these things come with like sleeves and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna be ripping them out of the box. We got 4 more boxes, so this is gonna be fun. All right, packs. Ah, look at that! Wow. Also, today I am not shooting in 4K because I think my camera is way more responsive in 1080p. So look at those bad boys right there. There's our packs. And this is our sleeves. Sky Striker. Oh no repeat yet. Look at that right there. I will be making good use of all these packs. I mean, good use of all those sleeves. Wow. I think it's because I got it like way zoomed in. And it's like, nope, I can't do it. But yeah, look at these guys. Nice. There it is. Right there. It's eventually gonna get itself together, I guess. Is how that works. Let's kind of open up real smooth. Oh, yeah, we got an ultra evenly matched right here. Let me angle these toward the camera better. Evenly matched. Mudora. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, don't y'all already know I don't know any names. I mean any prices of these. I've only kind of sort of I mean, I should just do it with my right hand. That would be easier. I don't know any prices, as y'all know. I looked up a couple of them. So if I'm not like popping or exploding and y'all like, that's worth $1 billion, I'm gonna have to find out about it in the edits. Oh, thanks. All right, got even closer so you guys can get some more detail in there. We got Sword Soul. But yeah, I think out of this pack, I do want like an Imperm or oh, Predator Plant. Nice. Imperm or was it Triple Tactics? That's more Sword Soul. Cat Shark. Nice. We got 93 Kaiser. That's cool. Yeah. Keldo. Sword Soul Assessment. Scapegoat. Nice. Yes, sir. Scapegoat. Oh, I got a G Golem token. Nice. That would be cool. Never get the bleeping cards out of the back. And it's upside down. How did I manage to do that? Alright. We got some trap tricks. These trap tricks are probably pretty valuable. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. These are all pretty cool. Oh, Dragon Maid changeover. Nice. Here we are. I've also got some. Oh, they're backwards. Oh, Change of Heart. Legendary. This is a legendary card. My goodness, yes. That's going straight in the binder. Sky Striker. Mobilizer. Or Mobilize. Not Mobilizer. Another Predator Plant. Maya Kashi. Vampire Curse. Curse of Vampire. Them in the The like cards are upside down. Interesting. What? Okay. I'm tripping out right now. I'm sure someone in the comments will be like, "You've been scammed." I actually don't know. I think this is probably right. I don't know. Galaxy Eyes. YuGiOh. Sword Soul. Instant Fusion. And Elder Entity. Yeah, this Elder Entity card, it goes pretty hard in the game. Like if you play the game, this card goes hard. I'm a beginner collector, guys. You're gonna have to bear with me. Okay, that one was right side up. Okay. All right. We got Cyber Rev System. Okay. Gravekeeper's Trap. Shout out to Gravekeepers. DD Servant Kepler. Chaos Hunter. Dark Soul Token. Yes, sir. To start my token collection. You know. And some more Sword Soul. Blast. Nice. Sword Soul Strife. Sword Soul. This is Sword Soul back. And Sky Striker. Okay. Okay, so these are not backwards, and I'm not losing my mind, so that's good. Totally awesome. Yeah, this card ain't. I don't even think it's $1. Exchange of Despair. Beautiful Princess. Sword Soul. Scapegoat. Man, I love to see Scapegoat. Scapegoat's such a good card. Let's see. Oh, more Sword Soul. Another Gravekeeper's Trap. Oh. Was it Therion the Bull? I didn't know these were in here. Anti-Spell. Haju. Error? I don't know. The cards are in there backwards. Maybe I'm just tripping. Legendary Ocean. Secret Village of Spellcasters. Sword Soul. Cool. Maybe cool if I can get a secret rare, guys. Come on, give me something. Give me a secret rare, or at least like, oh, there it is. There it is. Nice. In the upside down back. There it is. The triple tactics talent. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And I got the freaking, oh yeah, this is great. I got a token. Non-fusion area. Sky Striker. Sword Soul. Wow. That triple tactics, man. That's beautiful. Want an imperm. Give me an imperm. See, I got it out like that. Oh wait. I did get it out backwards. Upside down. Okay. I'm not tripping. I'm tripping. I am the tripper. Evenly Matched. Shout out Evenly Matched. That's a great card. It's a great card. Killback. Sword Soul Strike. Ooh, that's a Scapegoat. Can't have too many Scapegoats. Those are going straight in. Exchange of Spirit. Shout out. Cyber Rev System. Sky Striker. Sword Soul Blackout. And oh. Nightmare Phoenix. Is that? You look like you're worth a lot of money.
Nope.
Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see in the edits. Sky Striker Ace. Nice. And if you're enjoying this too and you want me to keep it up, do hit the like button and subscribe. And leave a comment. Pendulum Code. Surgical Striker. What the heck? Never seen this card before. Interesting. And Ignister. Oh man, I struggled with that one. Another Dark Soul token. Nice. Add to my token collection. And Nightmare. Cerberus. I think Link. Something like Link card art is like one of the best. It's like synchro art. That's the most nostalgic like card art format. Like I'm not talking about like the monsters. I'm just talking like the card outside of the monsters. Oh, okay. I don't know how much this is worth. Okay, but it's a freaking Black Luster Soldier. Who cares? Yes, sir. That's beautiful. Yes, sir. Sky Striker Ace. Therion Bull. Sky Striker Ace. Witchcraft. Pain? Okay. Wow. An Envoy. I'm gonna have to look and see how much he is. We still got 3 more packs left. Let's see if we can cop ourselves a Imperm. No, I just keep opening the back backwards. Yeah, it's not errors or anything. I'm just being goofy. That's all. Sword Soul. Oh, Witchcraft Vice Madam. You know, Witchcraft art is pretty good. I'll keep that. Cop that. A Legendary Ocean. More Sky Strikers. And Haju. Alright. Down to our last 3 packs. Let's see. What can we get? Alright. Another Cyber Rev system. Oh, nice. Got another Sky Striker token. Nice. Non-fusion area. Nice. Secret Village of the Spellcasters. Okay. And the Cerberus. I've opened them upside down. Yes! I saw it when I flipped it over because I keep opening these backwards. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, there it is. Another Triple Tactics. Yeah, this is great. This is great. Exchange of Despair and Hope. Sword Soul Strife. Sky Striker Ace. Chaos Hunter. Nice. The last pack, guys. The last one. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What are we going to get here? Let's see. Oh, hold on. Jank up the cards. There it is. Oh. Oh man, that's sweet right there. That is sweet. That is sweet. I wanted an Imperm, and on the last pack, I got my Imperm. Oh man, that's sweet. That is sweet. Kelbeck. Therion Duke. Oh, a hero lives. This one might be worth something. I don't know. Anti-spell fragrance. And that's it, guys. That is it for the video. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out. Helps me make content for you guys. I enjoy doing it, but it does help out to get that like. Let the algorithm know. And the more I get seen by the algorithm, that means some coins will come back to the channel. And if the coins come back to the channel, that means they come back to you in good content. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next opening. Peace.